Hi, I'm Scott Francis, editor of Products Finishing. Today I'm talking to Bryan Leiker, Executive Director of Metal Finishing Association of California, about the Bright Design Challenge that focuses on engineering solutions utilizing surfacing technology. Bryan, you recently finalized the Bright Design presentations for 2020. Can you tell us a little bit about the program?
Yeah, thanks, Scott. Nice to be talking with everybody. The Bright Design Challenge here in California, we've been doing, this is actually our 10th year doing it with the Pasadena Art College of Design. We work with about 12 to 15 students every year, and we bring them into the shops. Well, there's a few companies here in Southern California. One of them is K&L Anodizing. The other one's General Bright Plating. The students come in, take a tour. They'll learn the basics, the 101s of plating, anodizing, many other surface finishes, and then we'll have a Q&A question, and that's when the program really gets started, where they'll start working on what'll be a marketable product. We'll bring in some industry judges that have not been involved in the program, and they'll judge the students based on how marketable and how much they incorporated surface finishing into their final product. It was early March, right, when the class was starting to get going, that this COVID-19 issue broke out, and we had to social distance. So I was a little reluctant, thinking that this program couldn't proceed. We decided to push forward with Zoom. Considering what we were up against this year, we completed the class. We awarded $20,000 in scholarships. Things went really well.
Is there anything you might implement and use even when things sort of return to normal?
So I think the biggest learning lesson for me and the association was how much we can actually do online with modern technology. As far as the class, I still prefer the class to be that hands-on interaction. I think we get a lot more out of it. The students get a lot more out of it. So hopefully next year we can return to the students working more in the plating shops. That's the goal here.
For students that are interested in this program, how do they prepare for next year? How do they get involved?
They can contact the Metal Finishing Association of California, our website, mfaca.org. There's contact information, and we can get them set up with some information on, the Pasadena Art School of Design is one of the most prestigious, design schools in the country. A lot of past students have gone on to work at large corporations that, they've worked for SpaceX, JPL, several of the big car manufacturers, and some of these students have actually taken jobs in the surface finishing industry. It's good to see that people learn about metal finishing and realize it's in everything you touch on a daily basis. Everywhere you go, you cannot walk around, whether it's getting into a car, getting in an airplane, or anything, without touching something that's been in one of the surface finishing shops.
Thanks a lot for your time today, Bryan. Wishing you the best with the program, and want to thank everyone for watching. Stay tuned to PF Online for more finishing industry news, and thanks a lot.